In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Salesforce Recycle Bin directly from your Salesforce homepage. This is an essential skill that can save you a lot of time when you need to recover deleted records. So, let's get started. First things first, from your Salesforce homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll see a small pencil icon. This icon is your starting point, allowing you to make changes to the navigation bar according to your needs. You'll want to give this a click. Now, after clicking on the pencil icon, you'll notice an option that reads, Add More Items. By selecting this, you unlock the ability to customize and add more functionalities to your navigation bar, making your Salesforce experience more tailored and efficient. Next, after selecting Add More Items, you'll see a tab that says All. This is where Salesforce stores all the available tools and features that you can add to your navigation. Clicking on All will bring up the complete list. Once you're in the All section, we're going to use the search bar to make finding the recycle bin a breeze. Simply type in Recycle Bin, and it should pop up in the list of options. Seeing it there means you're on the right track. Next, you'll spot a small plus sign next to the recycle bin in the list. Clicking on this plus sign adds the recycle bin to your navigation bar lineup, ensuring easy access whenever you need it. Now that the recycle bin is added, there's just a bit more to do. You'll see the option Add One Nav Item at the bottom. Clicking on this confirms the addition of the recycle bin to your homepage navigation. You're almost there. To finalize everything, you just need to click on Save. This step ensures all the changes you made to your navigation bar are locked in and ready to go. Once you hit Save, all these adjustments are solidified and you're good to go. Finally, you'll return to the homepage. There it is, right on your navigation bar, the Recycle Bin icon. Clicking on it will take you straight to the recycle bin, where you can restore any deleted records or manage items that have been temporarily removed. And there you have it, a streamlined way to access the Salesforce Recycle Bin directly from your homepage. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your workflow and ensure that you have all necessary tools right at your fingertips. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Remember, conquering these small tasks in Salesforce can make a big difference in navigating and utilizing the platform effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforcing!